Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Whether you just prefer the sleek black look or you want to make scrolling a little easier on your eyes, this guide is quick and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. You can do that by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look toward the top right. You'll see the menu symbol, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Give that a tap to open up your settings. Inside the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will bring you to a new screen with different options to customize your Instagram experience. From here, scroll down until you see the section called Accessibility. Tap on it to move to the next step. Now comes the part where you can actually enable dark mode. Inside Accessibility, you'll see an option called Dark Mode. Tap on this, and you'll be presented with a few different choices. You can turn dark mode on, turn it off, or set it to follow your system settings. If you want Instagram to stay permanently in dark mode regardless of your phone settings, simply choose on. And just like that, your Instagram will switch from the standard bright interface to the darker display. Dark mode not only changes the background to a sleek black theme, but it can also help reduce eye strain if you're someone who likes to scroll late at night. Plus, it can even save a little battery life on devices with OLED screens. That's all you need to do. Once you've followed these steps, profile, menu, settings and privacy, accessibility, and then dark mode, you'll have Instagram looking exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.